In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Fortnite blurry on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make it so Fortnite is not pixelated or blurry. This is a process that I recommend that you do on the home screen for the game. You will notice that my character looks pixelated over here on the edges, and if I were to go inside of a game, you would notice that it doesn't look good and it is unpleasant to play. All that you have to do to change this is to go over to the settings, select the menu by clicking on your icon at the top right corner of the screen, or press start if you are using a controller, and you will find settings under the menu. We are on the default category video, where we have to address some graphical settings here. The first thing to look out for is the resolution. The higher the resolution, the better the game is going to look. It is going to be less pixelated and most importantly less blurry. So make sure that you are using your monitor's native resolution. It doesn't matter if you are using full screen, full screen or windowed, as long as you can go to the highest resolution possible. However, I would recommend full screen or windowed full screen to get the best quality possible. For this video, I'm not going to change this because I am recording, but you can experiment. Usually, the highest resolution that your monitor can handle is going to be the best for you. Now, besides this, there isn't much to change regarding Fortnite looking blurry. The next thing to look out for is motion blur. This makes it so every time you move your camera fast, it is going to add sort of a blur effect to the camera. In theory, giving you fluent animations, but most people don't like using this, so make sure that you turn it off if you want the clearest possible image when playing Fortnite. Now, if you have a powerful computer and you don't want to go to all of these settings, just go over to the quality presets and make sure that it is either on epic or high. This will make it so you will get the best resolution possible, and most importantly, like I said, Fortnite is going to look less blurry. However, if you are willing to go to individual settings, the best thing to look out for is anti-aliasing and super resolution. By increasing this, the edges of all items, objects, characters are going to be less pixelated. This is by far the best way to make Fortnite look less blurry and more sharpened. You can also experiment with temporal super resolution. However, I wouldn't mess with this too much. By far, anti-aliasing and super resolution on this setting here is what you are looking for. You can change other aspects about the game, but for the most part, simply increasing anti-aliasing and then the resolution will make it so Fortnite looks as sharp as possible. So as you can see now, it is not pixelated, and if I were to go inside of a world, you will be able to notice that graphical fidelity is much better. So I'm just going to join this one, and you will be able to see the difference. I hope I was able to help you on how to make Fortnite look less blurry. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.